So I have here on the left the DJI OM5 and here is the DJI OM6, and there's some differences. Of course, I love that there is a darker color. It's no secret I hate this color. It's similar to the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and as a woman and someone that wants to carry this stuff in a pocket, this can get pretty dirty, so I'm glad of this new color. They both extend, and as opposed to zooming in here on the OM5, you can zoom in here with the dial, and you have some differences on the front. As you can see, compared to the OM5, you have more of space here to hold the phone. I was not able to use my outer box pop on here. I have a case, it's the Caseology case on the S22. This is the S20. You can use this button to switch between camera modes and photo and video mode. You can also use it to recenter if you double click it to go to horizontal and vertical. And then you can use this to move it around. Use this to zoom in.